Very pleasant morning to all of you. Dear students, today we are going to start with unit number 7, that is gender. In English, the feature of gender in nouns tells us whether the person or a thing named by a noun is male, female or a non-living entity. The words which we use for male are boy, uncle, king, etc. When it comes to female, girl, aunt, queen, etc. And for non-living things, there are many non-living things around, such as stone, box, palace, etc. Gender in English has more to do with the meaning than grammar. In grammar, gender is applicable in the selection of pronouns. That is, using he for males, she for females, and it for non-living things. The example given here is, bring the man here, he is injured. So here, with the reference to the man, we wrote he as a pronoun. We used he as a pronoun. The second example is, the princess will attend the magic show. She likes magic. So in reference to princess, we used she. Also, grammar determines the use of who and which for persons and things. So when we need to determine that which things are used and by whom it is used, we use who for persons and which for things. The example given here is, the doctor who treated me was American. So with the reference to doctor, we used who in order to represent him. And the second thing is, the stethoscope which he used was made in Germany. So with the reference to thing, that is stethoscope, we used which. Gender is basically divided into 6 parts. The first one is male, second is female, third is dual, fourth is common, fifth is collective, and sixth is inanimate. Male refers to the male human beings. The example given here are prince, grandfather, boy, headmaster, etc. And the pronouns which we use for male, that is he, him, himself, who, etc. When it comes to female, we can see the examples given over here, that is princess, grandmother, girl, headmistress, etc. And the pronouns which are used for females are she, her, herself, who. The next comes dual, which refers to both male and female human beings. For example, doctor, friend, guest, teacher, etc. The dual class of noun represents that some kind of work, some kind of things which are done by both, which are referred to both humans, that is male and female category, such type of human beings comes in the dual class of nouns, dual gender of nouns. For example, doctor can be both male and female, friend can be both male and female. So here, according to the names, we can use he or she, him or her, himself or herself, or who as a pronoun. Next comes common. Common refers to both male and female human beings, but gender is irrelevant. So where to use a common? When the gender in the sentence is irrelevant, we can use both he or she, it, himself, herself, itself, who, and which. For example, baby, child, infant. The gender over here is irrelevant. That means it is not fixed. The next comes is collective. Collective noun refers to the group of the people whose gender is irrelevant to meaning. Examples given here are family, committee, army, etc. The pronouns which are used for this class is it, they, itself, themselves, which, etc. And the next comes is inanimate. That is, which refers to the object or ideas. When we are mentioning any objects or when we are trying to give any idea, the things which are used are it, itself, and which. In animals are generally talked about as if they are non-living things using the pronoun it, itself, and which. However, However, there are separate names for male and female animals of some type. Examples given here are bull, cow, dog, bitch, cock, hen, horse, mare. So in context to this, we can use he, she or who to such animals. Dear students, here we are at the end of this video. As a part of your homework, I am sharing a PDF file of all the exercise of unit number 7. You have to write these things in your textbook itself. No need to write these things in your fair book. Try to solve the exercise on your own because the exercise are very simple. For example, I can say in exercise 1, fill in the blanks using the correct pronouns from the bracket. Dash is an air hostess. So air hostess refers to a female category. We can use she. Mother hurt dash while cleaning broken glass. So here mother in the bracket is given himself, herself and us. So mother is a female category, so we can use herself. Dear students, write this exercise in your textbook itself. Don't write this in your fair book. And I am sharing a PDF file in which the answers of this chapter is given. Refer them, check your answers and study hard for your upcoming semester exams. Thank you.